Sorting out taxonomy. Family. In a previous podcast, Sorting Out Taxonomy, What's in a Name, the topic of taxonomy was introduced. This podcast is the fifth in a series that will focus on the main classification categories: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. As noted in previous podcasts in this series, not all scientists agree with this classification scheme, and it is subject to change upon receipt of new information. We discussed the kingdom classification category in the first podcast in this series, and we featured phylum and class categories in the second and third podcast. The order category was the subject of the fourth podcast, and family is the topic of this podcast. Family is placed between the order and genus classification categories. Organisms in a family have more characteristics in common than they do with the rest of the organisms in their order. We will continue in the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, and order Carnivora to show how this order is split into families. Recent taxonomic work shows that order Carnivora, the carnivores, contains 15 families, 5 of which are represented in Illinois. Family Canidae contains the coyotes, wolves, and foxes. The carnivores have elongated legs. They have 5 toes on each front foot and 4 toes on each back foot. The ears stand straight up. The snout is long and narrow. They communicate by barking or howling. Raccoons are members of the family Procyonidae. The raccoon has a long tail with alternating color bands. There are 5 elongated toes on each of the front and back feet. Family Mustelidae is the largest family of carnivores in Illinois. Weasels, minks, badgers, and otters are a varied group. Many of them have long, slender bodies with short legs. The ears are small and rounded, and the snout is short. Scent glands are present at the base of the tail. Skunks belong to the family Mephididae. Skunks have a black and white color pattern and well-developed anal scent glands. The body is broad and the snout is long. The tail is furred. They are nocturnal and eat a variety of foods. Only one member of the family Felidae is a permanent resident in Illinois. A cat has a short face and small ears. It has 5 toes on each of the front feet and 4 toes on each of the back feet. The claws are rectangular and retractable. The teeth are adapted for cutting. In the final podcast in this series, Sorting Out Taxonomy, Genus, and Species, we will use a single type of mammal, the North American river otter, Lontra canadensis, to illustrate the complete classification process from kingdom through species and discuss how the genus and species categories indicate a unique organism.